If you want to blur text in a video in CapCut quickly and cleanly, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. Whether you're hiding personal information, removing distracting text, or covering up something you don't want visible on screen, this is one of the easiest ways to do it, without making the whole video look messy. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, import your footage into CapCut and drag your video onto the timeline. This is the base clip that we're going to work with. Now click on that clip and duplicate it. On Windows, press Ctrl and C to copy, then Ctrl and V to paste. On Mac, use Command and C, then Command and V. Once you've pasted the clip, drag the duplicated version onto the track directly above the original clip. The key here is to make sure both clips line up perfectly at the exact same starting frame. If they are even slightly off, the blur effect won't match properly and the final result can look uneven. Now that your clips are stacked, it's time to apply the blur effect. Go to the Effects tab in the top left menu. From there, look under Video Effects and search for Blur. CapCut usually offers a standard blur effect, and that's the one you want for this method. Drag and drop the blur effect directly onto the top video clip on your timeline, not the bottom one. This top layer is the clip that will carry the blur and mask, while the original clip underneath will stay clear everywhere else. After applying the effect, look at the top right details panel. You should see an intensity slider for the blur. Adjust that blur intensity to your preference. For completely hiding text, I usually recommend setting it somewhere around 70 to 100%. If the text is very bold or large, a stronger blur will work better. If you want a softer look, you can bring it down a little, but make sure the text is still fully unreadable. The goal is to blur the area enough that the viewer cannot make out any words underneath. Next comes the most important step, masking the text area. Left-click to highlight the top video clip on your timeline again. Then go to the top right settings panel, click the Video tab and open the Mask sub-tab. Here you'll see different mask shapes you can use. For most text, the rectangle shape works best because it lets you cover clean blocks of text neatly. If the text is circular or curved, you can choose circle instead, but rectangle is the most common option for subtitles, labels, names and on-screen text. Once you select the mask shape, go back to the preview window and click and drag the edges of the mask to resize it. Move it carefully so it sits directly over the text you want to blur. Take your time here, because precision matters. If the mask is too small, parts of the text will still show. If it's too large, you may blur more of the screen than you need to. The best result is when the mask fits tightly around the text area, while still fully covering every letter. If the edges of the blur look too harsh, you can soften them by adjusting the feather setting. Look for the small white arrows on the edge of the mask box and pull them slightly outward to increase feathering. This blends the blur more smoothly into the surrounding video and makes the edit look more natural. A little feather goes a long way, so don't overdo it unless you want a very soft transition. Once your mask is positioned and the blur intensity is set, play back the video to check the result. Watch closely to make sure the text stays covered for the full duration you need. If the text moves around in the frame, you may need to adjust the mask or animate it to follow the movement, but if the text stays in one place, this simple stacked clip method is usually all you need for a clean blur effect in CapCut. And that's it. You've now learned how to blur text in a video in CapCut using a duplicated layer, a blur effect, and a mask to target only the text area. This is a great editing trick for creators, tutorials, privacy edits, and any video where you need to hide sensitive information fast. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.